try to a certain extent. You're going to land like at a 45, but try to keep it at that. That means you're going to swing as opposed to.
Okay.
Good.
Yep.
That's the look. It's like you're firing the right way.
Hit that guy, I reached for it, but it's still strong.
Yeah, that was good. Sir. There's a little off.
My legs stay straight and I didn't roll. It's pro.
Yeah, I would focus on that. The hip not over rotating. I think you'll be good because that'll help you.
I have so much power leaving from that. It's weird. Like, I'm not swinging as hard as I was earlier in BP, and I'm hitting these way better. Except for that roll.
Just a little early. I was about to say sorry.
Oh, I thought that was going to be way up. My bad.
That's fine.
Well, yeah, it's going a lot better. See, what would I do without you, Dad? Probably not be good at baseball.
I mean, pay attention to Teacherman, but also pay attention to like Mike Trout. You'll see his swings are like
tight as shit, in line. His legs are like, when he swings, it's like this. There's no gap in between.
And he's channeling it forward as opposed to spinning, you know.
Yeah. I don't know where that went. Oh, that was nice.
Mm-hmm.
I feel so short with my movements and stuff. I feel so in rhythm just because I'm focusing on keeping this leg forward. Thank you, Dad.
Mm-hmm.
That probably would have been gone on the line. I don't get how I out of nowhere can hit those pitches now.
Might be fun this summer.
Alright, this one. There it is.
Really nice.
Hey, Bob.
Yeah.